Kids, good morning all. Today we are going to continue our chapter number 9, Changing Families. So here are some pictures of families. These are the families of Nimmi, Sering and Nazli. So let us look at the pictures and talk about what we see and discussed. Now in the first picture it is a new arrival. Means there is a great excitement in Nimmi's family and she has a new baby sister. You can see in the picture there is a hospital and Nimmi has a new baby sister. Okay, Nimmi's family is in the hospital. Okay, now her family comes to their home. Now look at the pictures, both of them, and then write the answers of these questions. First is, who were the members of Nimmi's family before the arrival of baby sister? You can see in the picture, father, mother, grandmother, uncle and Nimmi, right? Then number 2, how many members are there in Nimmi's family now? Like father, mother, grandmother, uncle, Nimmi and her baby sister. There are 6 family members in Nimmi's family now. Now how do you think the lives of Nimmi's family members have changed after the arrival of the new baby? For example, how will Nimmi spend her day now? Nimmi playing with the newborn baby. Then, what new work will her mother do now? She looking after the newborn baby. There will be a change in the daily work of Nimmi's father, grandmother and uncle with the arrival of the new baby. Can you tell how? They will be looking after the new baby. They will be playing with her. Right? Has a small brother or sister been born in your home or in any house in your neighborhood? Yes. If yes, you can write the answer yes. If no, then you can write your answer. How does it feel to have a new baby at home? It feels very nice. How have things changed at home with the new baby? Everybody is very happy. They play with new baby. Then find out all about the youngest child in your home or in the home of a relative. Then write. When was the baby born? I'll tell my answer. You can tell and you can write your own answer. There is 2 months back. Is the baby a boy or a girl? It is a baby boy. How are you related to him or her? You can write, he is my cousin. Where was the baby born? In the hospital. Who does the baby look like? He looks like his father, that is your uncle, right? Then what is the color of his or her hair? Black. What is the color of his or her eyes? Brown. Does the baby have any teeth? No. What do we feed the baby with? Only milk. What is the baby's length? Around 1.5 feet. How many hours a day does the baby sleep? More than 17 hours. What different sounds does the baby make? He cries and makes various other sounds. Who does the baby stay with most of the time? His mother. Stick a photograph of the baby or draw a picture in your notebook. Now, in next family, new place. Sering's father received a letter from his office. The letter said that he was being promoted and would have to move to another city. When Sering's father showed the letter to his family, how do you think the different members would have felt? Everyone was happy that Sering's father got promotion. At the same time, all were little sad too that he has to go to another city. Now, what will change in Sering's family after his father's transfer? For example, who from Sering's family will live with his father at the new place? Which school will Serings go to now? Will he have new friends? Yes. So who was Sering's family will live with his father at the new place? Sering's mother. Then which school will Sering go to now? Sering's mother, Sering's sister and Sering. All family members go with the father. Then Serings will go to a school there and he will have new friends there. Has anybody in your family moved to a new place because of work? Here you can write your answer. Yes, my uncle or auntie, anybody you can write. What do you feel about this change? We feel sad. Is there anyone in your class or school who has come to your school from another place? If so, talk to him or her. Where has she or he come from? Now, first question's answer is yes, one girl came to our school last month and she came from Varanasi. You can write your answer. Then, what was his or her old school like? Her old school was like this school. Then, what does he or she find different here? Different people, different uniform, different timings. Then, does he or she like the change? At first, she had some problems to adjust to new conditions. Now, she enjoys it. Now this is the third family. It's a wedding. There is a great joy in Nazli's home today. Her elder cousin brother is getting married. You can see in the picture. Now, do you think that there will be any change in Nazli's family after this wedding? And what will change? Yes, there will be a new member in Nazli's family. She is Nazli's sister-in-law. Do you think there will be changes in the home from where the new bride has come? And what kind of change? Nazli's sister-in-law stays with them as their family member and works for them. Talk to your mother and aunts in the family. Ask them about where they lived before they got married. They lived with their parents. Who were the members in their family then? Their parents, brothers and sisters. Has anybody in your family been married recently? And who? Yes, you can write your own answer. My cousin sister had been married. Then talk to your classmates and write all about what happens during weddings in their families. What kind of special food is cooked? Vegetables, shahi paneer, basmati rice, dal, puri, etc. Then what special clothes do the bride and bridegroom wear? They wear traditional clothes, right? So what kinds of songs and dances are performed at weddings? So there are so many different songs we can perform in the weddings. So what did you see at the weddings that you attended? Draw some pictures in your notebook. Then look at the pictures drawn by your classmates. We saw changes taking place in the families of Nimmi, Sering and Nazli because of different reasons. Now write down the reasons for these changes. In Nimmi's family. In Nimmi's family, a new baby is born, one family member increases. Right? And number 2, in Sering's family. Sering's father got transfer in job. Family members are reduced. Then in Nazli's family, her cousin got married. As a result, her sister-in-law came in their family. So there can be many reasons for changes in families. Can you think of some more reasons? Yes, getting married, transferring job, birth of new child. Okay, number 2, talk to 3 old people, one from your family, one from your friend's family and one from a family in your neighborhood. Ask them these questions and fill in the table. Now question: since how many years has your family been staying here? Your family more than 100, friends family 50 years and neighbors family 5 years. You can write answers by your own. Where did your family live before coming here? Originally. Then friends family is in Rajasthan and neighbors family is in Uttar Pradesh. Then how many members are there in your family today? 5. Friends family 6 and neighbors family 7. How many members were there in your family 10 years ago? 8. In friends family 5 and neighbors family 10. Then what were the reasons for the changes in your family in the last 10 years? Death of grandfather, friends family, birth of sister, neighbors family, changes of place. Then how do you feel about all these changes? I feel bad for my grandfather. Then in friend's family, he feels good for his sister. Neighbor's family misses other family members. Right. Then what problems do you face with changes in technology? You can write your answer. Then my family, yesterday, today and tomorrow. All families change in some way or the other because of different reasons. Have your family changed too? Yes. When your grandmother and grandfather were children like you, was your family just like it is today? No. Do you remember the picture of Sita Ma's family tree which we saw in class 3rd? Yes, you had also drawn a family tree of your own family. Let us again draw the family tree of last year in your notebook. Ask your grandmother and grandfather how many members were there in their family when they were your age. Then draw a family tree in your notebook of their family when they were young. Can you see yourself, your brother or your sister, your mother or your father anywhere in this family tree? Now draw a family tree of your present family in your notebook. Can you see yourself anywhere in this family tree? Who are the members of your family today? Where are your grandparents? Okay, so you have to make a family tree. There are 2 family tree here you have to make. Your grandmother and grandfathers and then your family. Okay? Can you tell in what ways the family tree of your grandmother or grandfather in their childhood is different from your family tree today? During their childhood, My grandparents were at the bottom of the family tree. Now they are at the top. Then, up to which class do you want to study? Till master degree, right? Up to which class have your parents studied till graduation? Till which class did your grandmother get a chance to study? Till class 10th. At what age did your grandmother get married? At 21 age. At what age? Okay. Have you heard of a law that talks about the ages before which girls and boys must not get married? Yes. Boys must not get married before 21 years and girls should not get married before 18 years. So there are many girls who get married before they are 18 years old. Many of them have to even leave school. There are many true stories of girls like Sushila of Rangareddy district who are going back to school. She also got the help of the Panchayat. The Panchayat said that young children should play and study and not be married off. A group of people of Andhra Pradesh holds special camps to help married girls to go back to school. Jangamma and Chitti say, we would like to study and stand on our own feet. Right? Are there any such children in your neighborhood who had to drop out of school? Do they want to go back to school? No. There is no one had to drop out the school. Then what are they doing these days? They are in school. Has anybody in your family got married recently? Who? Yes, my cousin. What was the age of bride and the groom? Bride was 24 years age and groom was 27 years old. What kind of dresses they wore? Bride and groom. They wear their traditional dresses. What kind of dishes were there? Name them. You can write puri, paneer, sabji, rice, dal, gulab jamun, etc. You can write your own. Okay. So this chapter is about all the family members.